In real estate, we always hear that parable, location, location, location. It gets used quite a lot, but with this property, number 2 of 117 Hogans Road in Hoffers Crossing, it absolutely applies. Just 50 metres from the Hogans Road shopping centre. Public transport, primary schools, high schools, shopping, restaurants, all on your doorstep. This magnificent rear unit is well worth a look this weekend. Come on through, have a look with me. I'm Jonathon Bird, enjoy the tour. As you can see, it's an amazing unit. Come through this weekend, have a look. My name's Jonathon Bird from Barry Plant Werribee. If you want to organise a private inspection, please give me a call on 0419 536 905. Again, thanks for watching. Have an amazing weekend.